Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most advanced machines, vehicles, and innovations shaping the future of transportation and heavy equipment. If you love futuristic technology, powerful machines, and engineering marvels, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive deep into the machines of tomorrow. Today, we're going to take a close look at one of the most impressive pieces of railroad equipment arriving in 2026, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad machine. A true blend of strength, precision, and innovation, this model is designed for the demanding world of railway construction, repair, and maintenance. It's not just a machine, it's a solution for faster, safer, and more efficient railroad operations. The first thing that sets the RE 25M Litronic apart is its hybrid capability to work on both roads and railways. This dual-purpose design means it can seamlessly travel to a worksite on regular roads and then transition onto railway tracks, eliminating the need for complex transport logistics. That flexibility saves both time and money for operators while maximizing productivity. By 2026, when speed and efficiency matter more than ever, this feature becomes a game-changer for railway contractors. Power is at the heart of the Liebherr RE 25M. Its robust diesel engine, paired with advanced hydraulic systems, delivers exceptional performance in all kinds of working conditions. The Litronic control system enhances every movement, ensuring precise control even during heavy-duty operations. Whether it's lifting, digging, or handling complex track components, the machine operates with unmatched accuracy. Operators can trust that every motion is optimized for safety and efficiency, a critical requirement in the highly regulated railway industry. One of the major innovations introduced in the 2026 model is Liebherr's emphasis on sustainability. The RE 25M is equipped with a cleaner, fuel-efficient engine that complies with the latest emission standards. With railways already being one of the greenest modes of transport, using a machine that reduces carbon output makes the entire system even more environmentally responsible. Liebherr has also designed the hydraulic systems to consume less energy, further reducing fuel consumption without compromising on power. Comfort and safety for the operator are equally important. The cab of the RE 25M Litronic is built with ergonomics in mind. Spacious interiors, adjustable seats, climate control, and advanced noise reduction make it a comfortable workspace even during long shifts. The visibility is excellent, thanks to strategically placed windows and cameras that ensure operators have a complete view of their surroundings. By 2026, safety is not just a feature, it's a requirement, and Liebherr has answered that need with state-of-the-art monitoring systems, anti-collision sensors, and stability control. When it comes to adaptability, the RE 25M shines. It supports a wide range of attachments, from grapples to camping tools, allowing it to perform diverse tasks on railway tracks. Whether laying new rails, replacing sleepers, or conducting repairs, the machine adapts quickly to each job. This versatility reduces the need for multiple specialized machines, streamlining operations and cutting costs. Another highlight is the digital integration. The 2026 RE 25M Litronic comes equipped with advanced telematics and smart connectivity features. Fleet managers can track performance data in real time, monitor fuel usage, schedule predictive maintenance, and even diagnose issues remotely. This not only increases uptime but also ensures that the machine remains in peak condition throughout its lifespan. The ability to collect and analyze data makes it a vital tool for modern railway companies that rely on efficiency and precise planning. Durability has always been a trademark of Liebherr machines, and the RE 25M is no exception. Built with high-strength steel, reinforced joints, and weather-resistant components, it can withstand the toughest railway environments. From extreme heat to freezing conditions, the machine is engineered to keep performing reliably. This rugged build ensures a longer service life and reduced downtime, making it a cost-effective investment for companies worldwide. Another detail worth noting is Liebherr's focus on quick setup and mobility. Traditional rail maintenance equipment often requires long preparation times before work begins. But the RE25M reduces that drastically. With its fast rail guidance system, it can switch from road to rail in minutes, ensuring maximum time is spent on the actual task rather than preparation. In an industry where every minute counts, this is a critical advantage. As we look into 2026, the Liebherr RE25M Litronic Railroad machine stands out as a symbol of engineering excellence. It combines power, sustainability, safety, and digital intelligence into one package. It's not just about moving steel and concrete, it's about shaping the future of railway infrastructure with smarter, greener, and more efficient machines. For railway contractors and operators, it represents reliability and innovation they can count on. Thank you for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Liebherr RE25M Litronic Railroad 2026, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our updates on futuristic machines and vehicles. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of this machine impressed you the most? Until next time, keep exploring the world of tomorrow's engineering wonders with us, only here on Daily Drives.